My name is Amritha Arun Babu Mysore. I am currently ML platform leader at Klaviyo. And I like my coffee mainly strong, like an espresso shots. That's what I would.
Hi, my name is Abhik Choudhury. I work as a senior managing consultant in IBM, and I love my coffee as French vanilla from Wawa. Wawa is big here in Pennsylvania.
As an engineer, what do I need to know about, and how do I need to get into the space of like being more of an AI engineer and less of a full stack dev?
So, as far as for getting into an AI engineer, so some of the things that you need to be wary about is, and I have seen that these are the two things that fall apart very easily. One is the scalability. So you need to be really wary about the scalability because data multiplies, and particularly if there is a lot of seasonality and trend, it can easily overshoot what you are thinking and your whole pipelines are capable of handling. So you, from a data engineering, from engineering perspective, you need to have those things sorted first, even before you start optimizing your pipelines. So that would be the first piece, is how to scale your data. So if you're in a cloud environment, you have to make sure your load balances and all those things are in place. You are able to hold those data in front, upfront and correctly. Second is in your model, whenever you are scaling it, you are able to understand that you have considered all the biases underneath. And if you have the outliers that may come into picture, how you're going to deal with that. And from an ML engineer perspective, how you are going to serve the model. Serving the model is a very important aspect, because in a development environment, you are not, if you're serving and if the data increases and your performance changes, you need to be very careful about if the serving meets the criteria of the business. So these three are the aspects that you need to be wary about. And fourth and foremost is the compliance aspect of it. When in the development perspective, we quite often overlook the compliance and the privacy part of it. With our own model, we do make sure that we have various compliance and checks that we are not using these fields for these sort of predictions. However, if we are using a third-party model or maybe an LLM just with the API call, we are not very sure that how they are handling the compliance and if they are in accordance with our company policy. So we need to do the due diligence of compliance with even the third-party models.
Oh my God, I didn't even think about that. That is such a great point. And a lot of times it's not so easy to figure that out. Maybe it's hidden behind the terms of service that's 200 pages long, or it just isn't around, and you can, like, good luck trying to figure that out. And if it matches up with your company's, that's a fascinating one.
There's like a whole sort of a problem space that exists out there to determine this compliance piece of it, translating into what is the particular region, country, their government policies, their compliance, how are they catching up? How are these companies adapting? And how does it all translate to you as a final adopter of companies, sort of like a blockchain? Like, how does it all, have we figured it out? Because everyone's at a different pace here, right?